And let's have a heart-to-heart real quick. I know you're in a rush to get your credit fixed, but don't get scammed out here being desperate. There's a whole bunch of people who know how to fix credit, but all those people don't have your best interests at heart. You're giving them all your personal information along with your social, thinking that they're going to get your credit fixed in 5 days. That's a lie. That's a scam. You're being desperate. And I get it. I know you want to get it taken care of right away, but slow motion is better than no motion. If they said they could do it in 5 days, 9 out of 10, it's a scam. 10 out of 10, it's a scam. You get them your social, you know, they can open up bank accounts in your name. They can open up mortgages in your name, credit cards in your name, utilities in your name. There are so many scammers posing as fake credit gurus on the internet, showing you how to scam. You think they're not going to scam you? I know you heard what him 500 had going on.
But in reality, they don't know is that if I come with a bank where I got 50,000 and I'm not willing to trust nobody to invest, what I'm going to do is I will go to a bank. You can go to Navy Federal, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're the best.
You go to Navy Federal right now and apply for an auto loan. You can pull a VIN number off of Car Gurus. They'll give you a loan. If you say, okay, look, I'm going to give you a play. You go in there and say, I need 100,000, right?
What's your credit got to be?
700 plus, right? I give a blueprint on this show, how to build your credit report out in detail. You go to Navy Federal, say, listen, I need to get 100,000. You get a Car Guru VIN number.
This method, exactly how he says it. And it didn't end well for him at all.
On May 25th, 2023, deputies were dispatched to a Navy Federal credit union after a bank teller flagged a suspicious $21,000 check.
I don't know exactly.
What's up, man? I'm Deputy Carbone, Orange County Sheriff's Office. You have an ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead and hang up the phone. You're not going to be on the phone for this.
Check in your name or his name?
It's in my name.
Why are you?
It's payable to me. So basically,
he wrote you a check?
No, he didn't write the check. He got it from the bank. So basically, you can get an auto loan from the bank.
He's telling people how to scam. He's getting people locked up. People are going to jail because of the information he's giving them. It's a certain way you got to do it. Don't be in such a rush to go to prison. Take your time with this stuff. Do it right. You should have a peace of mind by being able to do it yourself. I'm not asking for no social security numbers. I'm just asking you to be patient with the process. When you're doing it the right way, it takes longer. You might not see results 14, 30 days, but guaranteed after those 30 days and stuff starts falling off, your score starts increasing. And over time, you will be at 850. Everybody's time frame is different, but I guarantee if you do everything I'm telling you to do and you pay your bills on time, you will be at 850. Be careful who you give your social security number to. There's a lot of scams out there. You're better off trying to learn how to do this yourself so you don't put yourself in a position to where you could get scammed. All right, y'all. Good luck out there and be safe.